members in our society. And the most important thing is that we're able to be one-to-one, you and I, with each other at the moment. That's what's important.
Hello. Oops. Hold on. Hello, my Eugene. It's your friendly neighborhood Yurei Chanto. Here's some more Minecraft. Yes. How lovely, jubbly. It's so wonderful to see you all again today. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Go ahead and crack open a cool can of some tea. Get you some bamboo shoots to chew on. We're gonna get right into this. So, last time we left off, we created our startup program for chopping down trees. So all you have to do is take this funny little guy, place him down, and then right click, get him started. Would you look at that? Got all the trees for you. Then we also created this Say Hello program with our hello function. And showed how you can use modules to replicate into another script. How neat is that? And today we're going to continue looking at the Coding with Minecraft book. Sorry, let me see. I'm trying to pull it up real quick. There we are. Found it. I'm going to do that and just leave as is. Over like this. I think that'll work. Alright, professional streamer here. Yes. Let's see, where do we need to pick up with? Right, we're going to make our hair module. So of course we have our turtles, is what these are called. Pewtercraft, the mining turtle, advanced mining turtle. I never did explain the difference between the regular turtles and the advanced turtles. The biggest difference you're going to find, one is the color. Two is that in the advanced one, you can actually click around in the script to move around. In the regular turtles, you cannot. So let's edit hair first. Label set modules. Now edit hair. So this is a function module program. What this will do is hold multiple functions. Let me back up real quick. Just as a reminder, what a function is you can have, let's say, 50 lines of code. But you don't want to repeat that if you have to do it over and over again in multiple places. So what you can do is create a function, and whenever you call that, it's going to run it. Now what a module is basically a function for functions. Instead of having, if you have multiple programs that are going to be run on a single computer here, instead of having to rewrite the function every single time, you can just create a module and call from that module. So let's say I have a mining tree program and a digging program and a farming program, and they're all going to run on the same computer for whatever reason. Instead of having to write, let's say, the movement going back and forth like this 3 different times, all I would have to do is write it one time and then call it in those 3 different scripts. That's what a module is. So, this is going to be a hair module, which, turtle and the hair, tortoise and the hair. So, we're going to do function select item name. And remember, when we put it in this parentheses here, it's going to be listening for a variable called name. And I'll show you what this means in just a second. So, local item, we're not defining what item is right now. We'll define it later. For now, we're just going to say that it exists. There is something called item, whatever it may be. And then we're going to loop. Let's use slot instead of I. This is a for loop, so it uses the word do at the end. Slot, this can be whatever you want to call it. It's another variable, but it's a temporary variable. It's just going to be used to loop through from the number 1 all the way to the number 16. And notice there's 16 slots in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. so on. All the way to 16. Presley, how are you doing? Greetings to the princess of the ocean. What honor do we have being your presence today? So, this is going to loop through every single slot. And for every time it goes to a slot, it's going to get the detail of whatever item is in the slot that's selected. And then it'll go to slot number 2. It'll do the same thing. Now, if item is not nil, let's get haircut color today, went to the salon, turns out it was next Thursday. Gotcha, I have done that before. That's alright. At least it's not as bad as when I worked at a hotel, which I'm not going to name which one it was. When I worked at a hotel, there were people that would come for a reservation that they accidentally reserved for multiple months ahead. So I get your pain. Hello. How are you doing, XX? Yeah. If the item is not nil, nil means that essentially it doesn't exist. So if it's not an empty slot, basically. If the slot is not empty and the item name, the name of the item, is equal to the name that we were looking for, then we're going to select that slot and return true, which basically means we found the item and we don't have to keep looking through all the slots anymore. Sorry to hear that, XX. Hopefully you'll be able to get a nap today. And that is adorable, Presley. So yeah. We define that there's an item. We're going to loop through all 16 slots, but each time we're going to get the detail of the slot, which is what this is here. It's going to check all of the details. And actually, let me show you what that looks like in real time. Look at piece of stone. Lua turtle dot get item detail of 1. So there's a single stone and it's called Minecraft stone. If I do that, repeat it, there's 64. A let's see. Item name is equal to turtle.get item detail of 1. Let's do item name. It's done. Item name is equal to item name. Item name. There you go. That's what that looks like. That's what it's doing behind the scenes here. I got you. Yeah, I understand that feeling, Presley. It is something that has to be done, though, unfortunately. Okay. So if it returns true, it's going to break out of this loop and select whatever slot it's in. Now, if it doesn't find what we're looking for, it's going to return false. Cannot find item. Save, exit. Lua. Let's see, os.load API hair.lua. Oh, there's an error. An expected symbol near and. Okay, let's fix that. Edit. Hair. And number 5. Alright, let's see. Here, that should work. Unexpected symbol near and. Huh. Yeah. But how we feel is not really our choice. We can, of course, learn, I guess you could say, how to control our emotions to an extent, but really emotions are reactive. The only thing that we can do is control how we respond to those emotions. And though it is hard, you can learn to not let stuff like that get to you constantly. That's why there's a difference between being happy and being joyful. Joy is something that outlasts any kind of situation. All happiness kind of comes and goes. I forgot to write nil. That's why it was an issue. Alright, now let's try this. Let me get some items here. I want a piece of stone. polished granite, polished andesite, deep slate. Let's throw all those in there. os.load API hair.lua. Alright, it's loaded. Hair.select item Minecraft stone. And there we go. It has selected stone. Absolutely. I'll always take some happy news. What you got for me? Awesome. Okay. I wish you both very much well. I hope that baby comes out super healthy. And they have a wonderful life. Genuinely, congratulations to you. Alright. So, select item has worked. Okay. So, let's put one more in here for now. Select empty slot. So this one up here selects a specific slot that has a specific item in it. This is going to be selecting the first slot that is empty. And you may want to do that for like crafting purposes, for example, which I can show you in just a minute. So we're going to loop through the slots again. Okay, so this one's a lot simpler. We're just going to define slot as 1 through 16. And it's going to check every single slot. See, if it is empty, has 0 items, get item count, slot 0. Then it's going to select that first empty slot and return true. Make sure there's no errors. Lua. os.load API hair dot select empty slot. And there you go. It is slot number 9. Okay, bye Presley. Hope you have a good night. I'm not sure what this one is, honestly. It's a mod for Minecraft called ComputerCraft Tweaked. So, whatever that one uses, that's what I'm using. I assume it's just an interpreter, but saying that may be stupid. I don't know for sure. Let's get a chest real quick. And some planks. Let's just get a stack. Put that in there. So let's see. Edit, craft, chest. os.load API here. For slot equal to 1,3. Do turtle, no, hair dot select empty slot dot suck 1. It's only going to suck 1 item. Theoretically, yes, actually, it does, because you can pull files from Pastebin and GitHub, as well as upload them to there. And I have seen somebody, his name was Automated, OTTO. He used this very mod here to put himself into a server where he was not whitelisted. He did this with permission, mind you. But still, yes, it can connect to the internet. Nine, 10, 11, 9, 11, 2. Here dot select empty slot. Turtle dot suck 1. Hello, Thunder. Oh boy. See, turtle dot select 5. Turtle dot suck 1. Select 7. Turtle dot suck 1. And before I continue this, I actually need to craft. No, not turtle. Hair dot select item. Minecraft. And look at crafting table. H crafting underscore table. Place up. Okay, so this is using the select item as well as select empty slot. Is uname show shell. I can try. No, it doesn't seem to. I can Google it. I'll look it up. Apparently uses a custom shell called Craft OS. Oh, outside of Lua? Nope. It uses Craft OS. Oh wait, no, I didn't need a crafting table. I needed a chest. Alright, equipped it. And let's run craft chest. Oh no, that didn't work. Machine. It runs specifically in Minecraft. I know that you can edit the files if you're in a single player world. You can edit the files using VS Code and then finding the save somewhere. Let's see, edit craft chest. Ah. So I should just do turtle select slot. From craft chest now. There we go. That worked. Ta-da! I honestly don't know what those are. Sorry, I'm still very much learning Lua right now. I can't tell you the intricacies of this mod. Automated tree farm. Yeah, I know. I've heard of some people using. I can't remember. This. I think it was JavaScript, but I don't have a clue. Yeah. So I guess they're not inherently built in, but there is some way to use them. No, you good. Curiosity's not a bad thing. I just wish I had the answers for him. Alright, real quick. I do. What's that? Nihon Haro! By chance, were you here for any of the previous streams that I did on this mod? Think so? Perfect. Alright, let's see. I don't appear to have my little guys. Nope. Is it locate structure? Is there Plains Village? Is this it? Yeah, this was it. Alright, so I made these little guys here. And let's see, LS War Crimes. That was rather fun. SSH search through the thing, access from different machine or shell. That is quite possible. Because there is something else here in the mod called a modem. And you use these modems to actually make, what are they called? Satellites. Oh no, I'm not back where I was. Nards. Oh, that's unfortunate. If I can find my way back. That's the village. It's not a taiga. Dark forest? Maybe? Oh, terminal on your computer. Yeah, 100%. I'll have to see if I can find that video by Automated for you. But he ran commands from his computer to remotely control the robots, the turtles. So yeah, 100% you could do that. I think he even created a way for the Twitch chat to control him too. It's a genius, man. It really is. Yeah, let me check on that real quick. Here you go. this is what the video is called, and that's who it's by. I still can't really even use the, where is it? What are they called? The monitors here. Just projecting text onto a monitor. So I'm still very, very much in the basic beginner stages of being able to use programming in this mod. But I am 100% certain that everything you said is possible. Man, I'm really sad. I don't know what I did with my my station here. Oh, wait, is that one? Nope, that was a grass block. Okay, let me see if I can turn up my render distance. 12 chunks. Yes, feel those frame drops. Let's go. Okay, I think it might be this direction. Maybe, possibly. You know, I really should have set the world spawn. Would have been smart. Yeah, I just got the WSL on my computer, I think it was 2 days ago. So I'm still trying to work with that, but it is really interesting. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Or not. Where am I now? Negatives. Oh, great. Positive Z. Yeah, I want to use Linux. I do. I just don't know if I can take that leap of faith, you know? Because there's so many things that are meant to run just on Windows that I've come used to, like a lot of the streaming software I use. I'll do some more research into it, see if I can find a way to properly transfer over, but I don't know. I have used Linux before on my last computer. I had a dual boot system. Oh, wait, hold on. A Stony Beach? Nope, not it. Never mind. Ah. Whatever. Virtual machine? Yeah, I thought about that too. Gracious, that is loud. Alright, just a forewarning. There's a pretty big storm going on outside. So if I have to suddenly shut off the stream or if the power goes off, yeah, be expecting that. Alright, Let's get some advanced computers with ender modems. just get an advanced turtle. Go up and up and up and up and up and up and up. Gracious. Alright. Wait, hold on. Load a chunk. Nope, no, nice. Alright. Yeah, for my own safety, I think I need to end screen here. I don't need to be sitting right by a window connected with wires wrapped all around my body. Because it is thundering and lightning like someone done made Thor angry. So, if it clears up later tonight, I may try to come back again. But for the meantime, thank you for coming, for attending.